Alright guys, my good buddy Mo brought his car down, RDB. Sickest Cullinan, sickest Pista. Where is Vic? Guys, if you're watching this YouTube video, Vic is MIA. He's out celebrating Martin Luther King's birthday. So I had to come pick up my own car, my own cars, and I have to make my own YouTube video with Joseph here. Anyways, guys, the Cullinan is done, the Pista is done. I'll start with the Cullinan. F***ing shit is lifted right now. Why did it lift? The suspension is fixed. We lowered it. Okay, so for you guys watching RDB's videos, I know how you feel. A lot of you guys are looking for motivation. You guys are young, don't have your first exotics like these things right here. But I want to give you guys a little secret. I actually used to watch RDB videos early in the 2000s. Not videos, but I used to follow their photos. They were on Heavy Hitters magazine. They were doing a lot of cool cars. Joseph, I don't even think you know about this.
I don't.
RDB's been around a while. So I used to use RDB as motivation too, but now I get to bring my car here. So that's cool. So you got the people who are here for motivation. Then you got the people who have Cullinans and they're watching this video. Let me tell you guys, if you have a Cullinan, you got to bring your car to RDB. You got to get these lowers painted. Literally, Joe, come around this back. Show them this. Look how much more beautiful, literally, the car looks. We got this all painted. Even the roof spoiler right here. Originally, it was black, half painted. Show them from the side view right here how clean it looks. It's beautiful. So we color match this entire side. This is a black badge, so we do have the black tips, the black here. So RDB wheels, paint the handles, paint all the lowers, and lowered it, obviously. You guys can tell it's kind of slam. So now when you back up and you look at the car as one piece, it's beautiful. They did an amazing job. Paint looks perfect. Wheels look perfect. Original floating caps. It literally looks like what the car should have looked like from factory. Like the black badge should have came, right? The black badge should have came already with everything painted, like, you know what I mean?
Pretty blacked out.
Yeah, exactly. So you guys already know Vic talked about this car in one of the videos. Basically, I'm just here to pick the cars up today. So I'm gonna do a little quick walk around with you guys. Novitec springs, obviously. We could have went a lot lower, a lot more aggressive, like this rear right here. We could have gone a lot more aggressive, but the diffuser on this car is ridiculous. Super aggressive diffuser, and I don't want to be breaking that diffuser anywhere. Rift full exhaust system, titanium. And what's cool about Rift is they hooked it up with the matte carbon or dry carbon tips. So it matches the dry carbon body. The thing that's unique about this Pista is all the stealth carbon. So it doesn't come up on video, but literally all this is not plastic, it's all carbon. If you zoom in on here, especially the engine bay, all that, it's all stealth carbon, and it'd be hard for you to find another Pista that has stealth exterior carbon. It's a very unique spec. The entire interior of the car, the door panels, literally the floorboards, everything, probably hard to see on video, even the handles, all stealth carbon, racing seats with the carbon back, fire extinguisher, full Alcantara, even the roof right here. Literally like almost anything you can do to this car. For some people it's too much, but for me, because I'm into Formula 1 and I wanted the full race experience, went with all the race spec as possible that's available for this car. And the Cullinan matches, so the red and gray interior matches with the Cullinan. So that's the duo.
All right, guys, we have something very special here. We have the 2021 Rolls Royce Ghost. Beautiful combination, white with a really, really beautiful blue interior. Look at that thing. Now, we have the wheels off. We are about to install a set of RDB wheels. We are taking the tire sensors off, getting them ready. These are the RDB wheels going on. This is a different fitment from the older Ghosts that we guys are used to. This is the first aftermarket set of wheels on the 2021 Ghost that I've seen in the world. So super excited to throw them on right now. I wanted to show you guys this front suspension. This is ridiculous. The Ghost has a crazy suspension where they're saying it's one of the softest cars ever. I mean, check this thing out. So when you're driving, the arm is going up and down. This thing has some rubber mounts there, and I believe it takes all the absorption of the road. So pretty serious stuff right there. We're gonna be lowering this car as well, so we got to figure out the lowering. We've never done obviously the newer Ghost, nobody has, so we got to do the lowering. 24-inch wheels, obviously the best wheels on the market for this car.
Performante.
He took the computer.
Yeah.
It's in the mode.
Wow. Can't believe it. What happened, Luigi?
So Lewis was excited to go in this Porsche. The furthest he went was down the street. He came right back. We're having a few issues, so we're gonna fix it.
This is scary, you know? When you go inside, he started driving, like how he's driving. If I drive in this car, maybe I hit him. I beat him up.
What in the world are you talking about?
The fucking car full throttled itself by itself.
Yeah, it did the same thing to me last time. Well, if you plug in the thing,
And the
there's
check
gonna be
engine
a
light
note.
came out. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
If there's something wrong with it, it's got to be the maps at this point.
But it went full throttle, shut off. It stuttered back on, and the check engine light came out.
Bro, it did it to me before I went to the races.
Yeah, that's kind of
It
crazy,
did the
bro.
same thing for me. I stepped on it, it bogged, and then it went full throttle. It was like a delay in the throttle. So here's what you'll do. You'll go now, you'll clear the code, and it'll be fine. And I drove it around for a month like that. I raced it on the track like that.
Ay. Yo siento.
I don't know why you're here when you have so much work to do.
Hey,
I think the fans
Actually-
wanted you to have a in-car video, so we're gonna give the fans what they want.
thank you very much. But hey, drive safe, bro.
The fastest car you've been in is in a Scion TC.
XP.
XP, sorry.
It's fast.
It's fast?
My car is fast. Hell yeah.
You know what this car is? You know it or no?
Yeah, it's like Porsche.
Porsche.
This one is really, really good. Excellent.
I hope so. That's your first language.
That's what I'm talking about. Huge. This kind of seats,
You got a
Like a-
little tiny bit
Yeah.
surprised, huh?
you not even move.
This car is pretty fast. It's like 900 horsepower.
900.
Yeah, about 900. Oh, Moses is always driving. Actually, it's Sarkis driving the camera car, and he's obviously nowhere to be found.
He's over there. He's right now.
Okay, he's back.
This is.
Thank God this
I-
car has very nice brakes.
I remember. Sarki. He said he beat you one time with his BMW.
Sarkis can't beat anybody. The only thing he could beat somebody in is being lazy.
Yes. See. Yeah. Sometimes yes.
Now is the fun part. That whole time was with the traction control on.
No.
So now we turn it off.
So.
Now you hold on to your.
My.
Hey, I have to hold on to my too. The owner of this car is a good friend. He told me to take it out to drive before anybody says anything. He drives this car almost always fully.
Power.
Yeah. So he has this car for that reason, and that's what this car has to do. So if it's not always doing it, then it's not the car for him. So that's the purpose of this car.
So-
it's power. We're
and
gonna
then-
install some carbon fiber stuff outside. We're gonna do a little bit of fixing little stuff here and there. Brakes are starting to squeal. That means we're driving it hard.
Jesus Christ, this car is something different. I need to change the Scion.
You have underwear today?
Always.
The older version of this car was called the Widowmaker. Basically means like you're gonna die.
Wow. igual the steering wheel.
His reactions suck.
Hey!
He's not scared of anything. It doesn't matter.
It's faster like a bullet! Yeah! The blocks over here is too short, huh?
You can't do anything here. This car needs to be on the track.
Yeah. Or highway.
Yeah, but that was the little break you get from work. It's time to go back to work, buddy.
Y algo, si alguien quiere subirse a este carro, if somebody wants to drive and enjoy this kind of car, man, come and talk to Vic.